fire pump emergency feed can indeed be from a natural gas generator. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA 20 standard for the installation of stationary pumps for fire protection allows for the utilization of natural gas generators to power fire pumps. NFPA 20-2013 Section 4.4.1 concerning emergency power sources states that where an emergency power source is required, the source must be capable of supplying the maximum demand load for the fire pumps, including the demand created by any jockey pump. Referencing the 2013 edition, Section 5.3.2.3 on the type of fuel, subsection 1 states that liquid fuel generators should have an integral fuel tank or shall be used with separately mounted fuel storage tanks. Subsection A states that the fuel must be diesel fuel, with a minimum flash point of not less than 125 degrees Fahrenheit or 51.7 degrees Celsius. Subsection B directs the reader to NFPA 110, standard for emergency and standby power systems for gasoline-powered generators. Subsection 2 indicates that gaseous fuel generators should use natural gas as defined in Section 3.3.163 of NFPA 70 National Electrical Code. Moving on to NFPA 20-2016, Section 5.3.2.3 addresses the types of fuel. Subsection 1 focuses on liquid fuel generators. Paragraph A states that liquid fuel generators should have an integral fuel tank or be used with separately mounted fuel storage tanks. Paragraph B clarifies that the fuel should align with the applicable requirements of NFPA 110 standard for emergency and standby power systems. It should be diesel fuel with a minimum flash point of 125 degrees Fahrenheit or 51.7 degrees Celsius, or it can be a liquid fuel approved for use in generators listed in accordance with UL 2200, standard for stationary engine generator assemblies. Paragraph C specifies that biodiesel fuel and gasoline should only be used according to the provisions of NFPA 110, standard for emergency and standby power systems. Subsection 2 deals with gaseous fuel generators. Paragraph indicates that gaseous fuel generators should use natural gas as defined in Section 3.3.163 of NFPA 70 National Electrical Code. Paragraph B warns that propane fuel generators should not be used unless specifically approved for fire pump application by the authority having jurisdiction. In essence, while diesel is a common choice, natural gas generators are permissible under NFPA 20 contingent on adhering to the specifications outlined in the standard and related references like NFPA 110 and NFPA 70. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for ensuring fire pump systems comply with safety regulations and function reliably during emergencies.